My dear Assisians, good morning. At the very outset, I thank Almighty for bestowing on me the coveted post of the principal in Assisi Vidyaniketan Public School. I also thank the management for putting their faith in me. Indeed, it is my honor to be the principal of this esteemed institution, which has a long legacy of molding generations to be successful human beings in all spheres of life. Dear students, you are all experiencing a new scenario, school at home. The management and staff at Assisi are committed to provide the best teaching learning platform for you. The continuity in learning is happening through online classes and activities, and it also helps you to connect with your teachers and classmates. As we are on the threshold of the new academic year, let me remind you a few things. You should have good planning. Please set clear, concrete and achievable goals for yourself. Draft your study timetable to achieve your dreams. Please set up target marks for subjects in exams and continually reflect on your performance to improve your score. When you face academic setback, practice resilience, which is the art of bouncing back or emerging victorious each time you face a setback or challenge. This is in synchronization with the school theme for the academic year 2021. Be reflective and be resilient. I wanted each one of you to set your study timetable and goal for this academic year. Please write it in bold and stick it on your study table. Also share it with your class teacher. Even though you are confined to home, please practice the daily routine of waking up on time. Read holy scriptures and surrender yourself to God in prayers. Exercise, eat healthy and think positively to maintain physical and mental well-being. Help your parents in the household chores and keep aside me time to hone your talents and hobbies. Dear Assisians, be self-disciplined and polite to everyone. Be empathetic to the weak and with smiles greet the people you meet every day. Dear students, your future depends on what you do today. You all have great God-given potential, so trust yourselves, dare to dream and fly towards your dream. Thank you.